Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach an Excel file to email via Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and an Excel file that we have been working on. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to top right corner, Gmail, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Let's now minimize Google Chrome for the moment. On the desktop, we have an Excel file. If I were to, let's say, click on this, this will then open up in Excel, and this is a quick Excel spreadsheet that I have compiled in 2 minutes. Let's now quit Excel. Let's go around to the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Let's now compose a brand new email. Increase the email window size. Let's now select the recipient, which will be admin@computersciencevideos.com. Subject, Excel file. Go within the email, dear admin. I hope that this email finds you well. Full stop. Go to a new line. Please see the attached Excel file. Kind regards, CSV. We can now attach the Excel file. Click on attach files. This will take us to the desktop where we have book1.xlsx. Click on this. Now click on open. And the Excel file itself is now attached. Let's now click on send. Message sent. View message. Excel file. Dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached Excel file. Kind regards, CSV. Click on the Excel file, and there we have it. We can open this with Google Sheets if we need to, for us to then make some extensive changes within Google itself. So that itself is pretty cool. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.